Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today again I'm going to do a makeup haul video, my favorite, and I think for all the beautiful people who are makeup lovers. And I was thinking to buy some good quality and genuine makeup items, and then I just went to the Pretty Click Cosmetics in Nepal, and I have purchased some makeup items. So they have very genuine and affordable makeup products. If you guys are looking for good quality and genuine makeup items, in my opinion you should visit their store. Their Instagram name is Pretty Click Nepal. So if you guys are interested to see what I have purchased from their store, keep on watching, and as usual, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that notification bell. Let's go. That's their bag. Yep, it says Pretty Click Cosmetics. And then look at this. Pretty Click Pretty You. Okay. And I'm going to show you what I have purchased. Oh yeah, I have one skincare product as well. Okay, this is from Seventh Heaven. This is Seventh Heaven Dead Sea Mud. It's a cleanse and detoxify hard drying mask. It's for oily skin. As you guys know, I have oily skin and acne prone skin as well. So yes, I have purchased this mask. And the second item is this makeup product. This is eyeliner from Allegal Pro, and next is this Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, and this is also from Allegal Pro. It's a counter powder. It has a highlighter powder and a counter. Yes, yep, it's a multi-purpose, so it's a medium shade. Another one is also from Allegal Pro, guys. Okay, this is a blush. Yep, this is the blush. It's not shimmery, guys. It's just only the powder, you know. Like you can see this. It's just a powder like brush. No shimmery, no pigmented, nothing. Just powder. So, and the last is this lipstick from Jordana. It's Sweet Cream Matte Liquid Lip Liner. Shade Strawberry Sandy 24. I like this shade actually. Look at this shade. Completely natural. Look at this. Completely natural. And I just love this. And it smells so good. Okay, that's all guys. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. If you guys want me to do review on this product, let me know in the comment section below. I will do it for you guys. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much. Bye.